Hi everybody, I'm Filippo from Extreme Whips. So today we are going to check out the pump gas tune on my Alteza. So this car has two different tunes. So the first one is low boost, so pump gas and MERP, and the second one is ethanol. But the ethanol setup and the tune we're going to talk it in, let's say, later on in the second part of the video. So for example today, regarding the pump gas tune, we had the small filter for the fuel. Then we have the big one that we didn't connect the pipes yet, it's for the ethanol, but as I said, we're going to catch up with these later. We have a fully customized back exhaust, a 3-inch back exhaust for the pump gas tune. And then regarding tires, even from the tires the setup is a bit different. So normally on the pump gas tune we run normal tires in front with 18-inch rims and semi-slicks with 18-inch rims at the back, okay? While for the ethanol is gonna be 15-inch rims at the back with big tires, and this one that normally sits at the back, they will go in front for having more power when you're braking down. So now guys, let's go and check it out, the tune, so let's see how it performs the car. Okay, so guys, today we saw the performance of my car in low boost. So running a 2871 Mamba Turbo, 1200 cc injectors and a 525 fuel pump, a single one. So stay tuned for the second part of the video. It will be the ethanol setup, so we are going to go through that and the tune. So it will be a lot more to talk about and a lot more, let's say, related to the cars, and the setup will be way different from now. Thank you so much. See you in the second part of the video.